Hi class, in this video we are going to discuss more examples on how to compute simple interest. So let's continue our discussion. Let's have example number 1. When invested at an annual interest rate of 7%, an amount earned 12,200 of simple interest in 2 years. How much money was originally invested? So first thing we have to do is list down our given. So we have 7% as our rate, and that is 0.075 in decimal. And we have our 11,200 as the amount earned, so that is our interest. And we have 2 years as our time. So what we're looking for is the original amount or yung ating principal rate or principal amount. So for us to solve for our principal, we are still going to use our formula, which is interest is equal to principal times rate times time. So this time, isolate lang natin yung principal. Then lipat natin yung rate and time para magkaroon tayo ng derived formula in solving for our principal, which is yun nga po, principal is equal to interest over rate times time. Substitute lang po natin yung ating mga given. Our interest is 11,200 pesos and our rate is 0.07 and time as 2. So therefore, our computed amount is 80,000. So our answer for example number 4 is the amount invested is 80,000 pesos. Next, let's have example number 5. If an entrepreneur applies for a loan amounting to 500,000 in a bank, the simple interest of which is 157,500 for 3 years, what interest rate is being charged? So this down first our given. So we have 500,000. Ito yung kanyang principal amount na inutang. And meron tayong interest na ma-accumulate niya, which is 157,500 in 3 years. So, ang tanong is, magkano or ilan pala? Ilan yung ating interest rate? So, we're looking for the percentage. So, solution. So, using our interest is equal to principal rate times time, we're going to solve for our rate. So, isolate natin yung rate for us to derive a new formula, which is rate is equal to interest over principal times time. So, substitute lang po natin. Our interest is 157,500 and our principal is 500,000 multiplied by 3. So, our rate is equal to 0.105, which is, in decimal, can be expressed as 10.5%. So, our answer is the bank charge an annual simple interest rate of 10.5%. So let's have our number 6. How long will a principal earn an interest equal to half of it at 5% simple interest? So for this one, our given, obviously, ang obvious lang dito is yung ating 5% rate, which is equal to 0.05 in decimal. Pero may sinabi po dito, how long will an principal earn an interest equal to half of it? So, ibig sabihin, kung sabihin natin ang principal is express natin as capital P, and ang ating magiging interest is half, equal to half of it. So, that is 1/2 principal or 0.5 principal. So, we are looking for our time. So, using our formula, interest is equal to principal times rate times time. So, we're looking for our time. Isolate natin yung t sa one side of our equation. Then, lipat natin yung p and r. So, that is by dividing both sides by p times r. So, you will have time is equal to interest over principal times rate. And our interest is, sabi dito, ang ating interest is 0.5p. Ang principal natin is p, wherein ang ating time is, ang ating rate rather, is 0.0.5. So, from here, makakancel natin yung p sa ating numerator and denominator. Ang matitira is 0.5 divided by 0.05. So, our time will be equal to 10. In general, answer, it will take 10 years for a principal to earn half of its value at 5% simple annual interest rate. So, that's it po for simple interest.